Inspiration to women all over the world spoke to a sold-out crowd at IPFW.
Retired Supreme Court Justice Sandra Day O'Connor was the featured speaker at tonight's omnibus lecture. News Channel 15's Chris Hopper joins us now from Studio 15 with the crowd's reaction. Chris?
Well, Mark, Justice O'Connor spoke about advancing the rights of humanity, but it wasn't what she said that wowed this all-ages crowd. It was her reputation.
It's like a piece of history is right here in Fort Wayne. She's living and breathing, and I wanted to hear what she had to say.
Tonight, former Justice Sandra Day O'Connor spoke about the Supreme Court and its impact on human rights. As a justice making decisions in some of the most controversial cases in U.S. history, it's something she knows all too well. But it's her stature and her accomplishments that had people on the edge of their seats.
Girls, 12, 13, 14-year-old girls, I think that's really important for them to see somebody like that who's been so successful and so positive, and to have her as a role model is just a really good thing.
Justice O'Connor completed law school in 2 years. She was the first woman to serve as majority leader, and she was the first woman on the Supreme Court. It's those accomplishments that make her an inspiration to girls and women of all ages.
The example she set for so many young women, it's really wonderful to see that, and it's come a long way.
Justice O'Connor was stern and deliberate in her speech, but during the question and answer session, the crowd got to see some of her true colors, a little comedy and a little sarcasm.
She gave people the answers that they deserved, whether they wanted them or not.
But that's exactly what the crowd was looking for. They got the chance to interact with the true American icon.
A little more in-depth knowledge about her as a person, about the influence that she's certainly had.
Justice O'Connor is retired, but she continues to make an impact. Currently, she's the chancellor at the College of William and Mary, and she just started a website stressing the need for civics in schools. Chris Hopper, News Channel 15.